Okay, hello, assalamu alaikum. So, in the last video, we means learned how ions are produced. So we are having two processes: thermolysis and solubilisis. Now we are not going to repeat the lecture. If you wanna see, so watch that video. Now let's start. Molecule means how molecules are converting into cation or anion, and what are molecular cation or anion. Like this is our topic. Simple. Okay. Now let's just first read definitions. I have two definitions, and this is little complex, but this is very easy and simple. Okay. Now let's start with the first definition. An ion formed by removing positive ions. What is it saying? An ion means formed by removing positive ions or adding negative ions, one or more electrons from a molecule. M is a simple molecule. 2 means now it will be converting into M plus or M minus, as we know. Cation or anion. Cation will be carrying positive charge and anion negative charge. It's a common. Now let's means make it simple with the next definition. When a molecule gains or loses electron, okay, when any molecule gain or means lose electron, the resulting species is called molecule ion. Means whenever a molecule will lose or gain any electron, so it will simply means known as molecular ion. Like in that video, the ions are producing in elements, but now in molecules. Okay. Now let's move further. So there are two types. If the electron means an electron is removing, or an means an molecule loss is electron, so that is known as molecular cation. So it is like 1 minute. Okay. Now we have 2 points of this. Simple. It contains positive charge because the molecule is losing electron, and whenever any element or molecule lose electron, it will be having positive charge, and it will known as cation. And you also know that the cation, there means two type of metals, like metal non-metal. So whenever any means any molecule or anything is means having a positive charge, means it's common that it's metal, and if negative, so it's non-metal. So means mostly, or almost all the molecule means with cation, with means positive charge, will be having metals. So it contains positive charge. We know it contains positive charge because lose electrons. Another line I have means I have said that they lose electrons to gain positive charge. We know they lose electrons to gain positive charge. Now let's make a first H2O. Let's take an example of H2O. Okay. Oxygen have low quantity of means numbers, so oxygen will be in the center. It will the H2 means oxygen. What's the atomic number of oxygen? 8. 2 in the first shell and 6 in the valence shell. 1 2 3 4. Okay. 5 6. Now let's make a hydrogen. Hydrogen will make pair. Hydrogen will make pair. Okay, we are not means taking H2. H2 is neutral, but H3O. H3O will be unstable. Like now it is simple. It's making covalent bond here. One electron from here, one electron from here. The bond is completed. One electron from here, one electron from here. The bond is completed. H2 means oxygen will be H2. Oxygen is more electronegative, so it will means carry some oxygen with his, means with some electrons with this, so it will be having negative charge, and the hydrogen will having positive, so it will be cancelled, means it will neutral, positive and negative. So H3O. H. Now H is coming again, saying give me electron. I want to make, means I want to be stable. So means oxygen is not willing to give, but hydrogen will snatch because it is having positive charge. It is more powerful than this, so it will take. So it will be having means the bond which here they'll make, this is known as coordinate covalent bond. Means oxygen is not willing to make a bond, but hydrogen have a positive charge, so it will means react and means make a bond with it. So so that's why hydrogen is extra and it is having positive charge, so it will be having also H3O, so it will be having positive charge. Cation, so it is cation. Now electron, okay, so it will be having cation, and these both these were molecules, so this is molecular cation, simple and simple.